Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your cruise experts, and today I'm on board Carnival's brand new beautiful Mardi Gras. This particular category is a Havana Cabana Corner Suite. It's part of that Havana collection where you get access to the Havana pool. It's a nice upgrade in addition to a beautiful suite. Now keep in mind you can book this or any room or suite on harrtravel.com. We've got the interactive deck plans you can book right there or hold an option and still take advantage of Harr Travel's signature service. Let me show you what this beautiful suite's all about. Now as soon as you walk in the door, you've got a large living room area. This also doubles as a bedroom depending on how many passengers are here in the suite with you. You got a really nice large chaise lounge there and then a couch here as well. You've got a little bit of storage underneath, really nice touch if you have somebody staying in here. And then just across, you're gonna find all of the room's storage. So right here, you've got shelves up and down. I like that you can adjust these up and down if you want a little more hanging storage. You're gonna have these drawers that slide out, really nice touch. Then down below, these slide out as well for, once again, a really nice, easy to use experience. You're gonna have your safe right there, big enough for a small laptop, iPad, or of course one of your wallet, passport, things along those lines. And then the other one is going to be very, very similar. You're gonna find those Havana Experience robes. You can wear those to the pool or around the ship. You've got more hanging storage up, down, and then a little bit storage of underneath. Continuing through the space, you're gonna have quite a bit of more storage underneath here. Once again, if you're using this as a bedroom, it's great for that. You've got your mini fridge, storage up and down, and the first of the large flat panel TVs. It's interactive, you can see what's going on throughout the ship, or of course you can watch television. Now as we head into the main bedroom portion, I just wanted to point out that this does pull all the way shut. It actually adds quite a bit of privacy there. It's really nice bit of separation. I love my family, but I love having a little bit of extra space in between as well. You've got the large bed here, really nice and comfortable. It does separate out into two twin beds if you prefer that configuration. You also have reading lamps on both sides with a USB charger. And then right at the foot of the bed, you're gonna have another large flat panel TV. So there's two of them. Once again, when traveling with the family, that's a big advantage. You can see on the corner of the bed, you have one of Carnival's signature towel animals. I love that they have those here. And then right here, you're gonna find a writing desk that will double as a vanity. It's backlit, so you can sit here to get ready. And then right here, you're gonna find 3 US plugs, 4 USB chargers. It's a really nice, brand new, high-tech ship. I love that they have all those extra charging stations. As I head over to the bathroom area, I just wanted to point out there's more drawers right here for storage. Now as we step into the bathroom, because it's a suite, it's quite a bit bigger. So you've got the toilet tucked in the corner. You're gonna have a large double vanity here, storage up above. You've got the plug for shavers, a little bit more storage and magnifying mirror, and storage all the way underneath. Now they have a sliding door to give you even more space. I'm a big guy, I'm 6'6", I've got plenty of room to spread out. You've got those upgraded Elemis bath amenities because it is a suite, and then you've got the adjustable shower wand right there. So now I just stepped outside to your extra large balcony, one of those signatures of the Havana Cabanas. You've got your lounger over to the side, really nice reading chair. Now we are facing the front of the ship, so there's a railing in front, but you can check out those incredible views. And then as I head over to the other side, you've got another one of the Havana signatures, these really cool swinging chairs. So you can sit and rock away as you're enjoying your time here on board. Now, once again, I love that you have access to the Havana pool and those extra amenities for the Havana experience. When you are ready to book this suite or any cruise suite, make sure that you check out harrtravel.com. You can book right there on the site, and then we'll reach out and take care of all the details from there on out. We greatly appreciate the opportunity to work with you, your friends, family, or group, and we know we can craft the vacation of a lifetime for you at an incredible value.